Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. I just had to do that, you guys. Today is Thursday, September 16th. I'm Crazy Cat, and I've got your astrological forecast for today. Before I get to why I am so excited, most of you probably already know, we are going to get started by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity and darkness flowing out of our bodies. In its place, we are being filled by this beautiful white light made up of white light, love, and the will to good. This white light fills our entire body, and then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. This bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we are in this space of white light connected with our higher selves, we are going to say our Sun in Virgo affirmation. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. We're going to say the affirmation. We're going to stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. Good work. Good work. Well, welcome to Thursday. We made it to the only day this entire week that is conducive to get things done. It's conducive for productivity and progress. Today, the moon is void, of course, until like 8:30 this morning, and then she moves, and that's Eastern Daylight Time, and then she moves into Aquarius. So now it's the energy we are feeling connected to the greater whole. We can see how we fit in the bigger picture. We want to contribute to the greater whole. We might want to look into volunteering and being of service some way. It's also an energy of technology. Maybe we figured out a new way of doing something on the computer, or we've gotten this brainstorm on this new formula. This is the day to promote it and to get progress and success on it. So if we have anything like that today that we want to get out there into the world that we want to promote, today is our only day of the week to get it done. But we have great energy to do that because we also have the Sun in Virgo trine Pluto in Capricorn. So we've got the Sun in Virgo, so getting things done, planning, Pluto in Capricorn, structures. Good. It's a trine energy. So it's soft, flowing, very conducive for this. Although, it's not conflicting energy, and conflicting energy is usually what gets us moving. So we're going to have to initiate this ourselves. If we do want to put some new ideas out there, we have a creative idea, whether that be on how to do something new or even some new technology, anything like that. Today is the day, but we need to take the initiative and set it up so that we can promote it. So great energy today for working together and getting things done and promoting any kind of idea project that we have. Now, we're running out of our Virgo energy. Speaking of the sun in Virgo today, we have our affirmation, which is I embrace my true authentic self. I used that affirmation because once we realize who we truly are and we honor that, the energy flows through us without getting caught in all of these snags and tears of all the masks that we wear. You know, it gets hung up on a mask, trying to fit in, you know, trying to be someone that we're truly not, just to get along with others, so that we think. So as we work on these last couple of days of Virgo, let's focus on being, who are we? You know, we've got this great idea, some of us, this creative idea. Where did that come from? And how can that happen more often? How can we express truly who we are in the outer world? Thoughts to ponder on today, but not going to have too much time to think because we are going to be getting it done today. Great day. Thursday, tomorrow, things go right back into the shithole again. Sorry to say. There's a moon T-square tomorrow that is just pretty darn ugly. So really get our stuff done today. The energy is there. So take advantage of it. Rescue. Magic prayer. I know where we're going here. Metamorphosis. So this is Spirit telling us if we need support, ask for it. We don't need, we had this in a different deck in a different card the other day. So some of us are really stuck on doing it ourselves. We feel alone, but we are not opening our eyes to see that there is support all around us. And the first big support I hope we're not missing is that connection with our higher self. Moves us right into magic prayer. And that's exactly what this card is about, is connecting with our higher self and developing a relationship with our higher self, so that we can begin to consciously create the world that we want to see. And when we do that, we can completely transform. When we are able to embrace our true authentic self, when we are able to ask for support when we need it, and when we have developed this incredible relationship with our higher self. And I'm here to tell you, I've been meditating since 1988. I don't know, do the math, it's been a long time. But what happens when you meditate regularly, the relationship continues outside of the meditation. So I can connect to my higher self while I'm not in meditation. I can feel when there is information coming in that I need to pay attention to. And that is so important. That is what developing this relationship is all about. And then once we have this metamorphosis, we embrace our true authentic self, we are free, and then we can fulfill our purpose, what we came to this earth to do this lifetime. That is nothing less than joy and bliss. So, great stuff. If we will develop our relationship with our higher self. Have a great Thursday. Get it done today, everyone. Yay! Finally progress. Remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, Life is Lived from the Inside Out. Happy Thursday. Namaste.